Hi guys, welcome to Masika's kitchen. We are super excited to do this with these top chefs. What are your names, chefs?
My name is Chef Tevita. I'm the one who comes up with recipes.
Okay.
My name is Chef Shantel. I help cooking.
You help, eh?
My name is
Yes,
Chef Ranise. I'm the one who makes them do this, and they have to follow me anyway.
Aish, okay. Ukisema tunafuata. Yeah. So we're making fried pork rice, and our chefs are ready. Let's get started. All right. So here are our ingredients. We have minced pork. We've minced it with a mincer. Eggs, some oil, cooking oil, vegetable oil, teriyaki sauce, vegeta, some chili cubes, some turmeric. Each of this is like a teaspoon. This is white pepper and salt. Then we have carrot, onion, kitungu, celery, and some green pepper that we had already chopped. So yeah. So now who's gonna do what? Tevita, what are you gonna do?
I'm going to scramble the eggs.
There you go. Yeah. What are you gonna do?
Cut the onion.
You onions. Sawa. Anza kazi. Ranise?
I'm going to cut the celery.
You're going to cut the celery. All right. So now this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Everything is ready. So we want to mix everything all together. So we will start with some oil. What's next?
The onion.
Oh, okay. Koroga kabisa. Yeah. Okay. Ever tell me when you're in school with your friends, what do you guys say about your parents? Do you guys think we're old-fashioned? Do you think I'm old-fashioned?
No.
Tell the truth.
No.
Ranise, tell the truth.
Me, I'm not talked.
I've
not said anything. You're a bit old, but I'm not saying that you have old, you have old style. You have this style, but you're old,
I'm
age.
old.
In age, you're old.
But I have style.
Yes.
So I'm a stylish old person.
Yes.
So you think I'm old?
We know you're old.
You know I'm old?
Yeah.
Okay.
White.
I think I asked Shantel. What?
No.
Shantel, you think I'm old?
No.
Tell the truth.
No.
Do you think I'm old?
No.
So what do you talk about when you're in school? About your parents?
Yes.
Sometimes when we're talking about our parents, we're just thinking ukivunja glass or when something falls down, they say normally, your mom will say vunja zote, zote zivunjike tena utanunua nyingine, si ndio?
Mamaliza yote.
Same. Yeah, the same. That's what
all of them they say that.
Yeah, that's what all mothers do.
All mothers.
Yeah, same.
And fathers.
We don't really talk about the fathers.
People don't talk about their fathers?
Yes.
So mothers are the ones with drama.
No.
Kitungu isiungwe.
Iko sawa.
Iko sawa. Okay. Tunaweka nini?
Green pepper.
So we put some green pepper. Pilipili hoho. Some celery. Celery really makes a huge difference.
Just put.
Wait until
No, just put together.
Just put.
You, Tevita, you've not told me what to talk about. Do you talk about your parents at all?
No.
You don't talk about parents?
No.
You're just busy playing.
No.
So you girls are the gossipers.
No, we're not the gossipers. We tell the
don't talk about
truth.
football and
Shantel, you talk about parents.
No, she normally talks about playing.
Playing football.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mom and us, we don't talk. We only talk. No, we're not always playing.
Oh, you always play?
No, we're not always playing.
So what do you guys
What
talk
do you
about?
say?
We just talk about video games and football.
Football. Ah. Do you talk about ati nilichapwa, babangu alinichapa, babangu ndio mbaya, it's like you're competing. No, you don't.
One of my friend.
Eh.
Sasa tulikuwa shule, alikuwa anatuambia sisi wote. Sasa babake anamchapanga, anamchapa paka akienda kwa kitanda, hawezi kalala vizuri. Akilala hivi anasema ouch, akilala hivi ouch.
Na consider life.
So
Si ni vizuri kuchapwa. As long as hautakufa. If you don't die, whether the times you've been beaten, have you died?
no, but still sometimes you can use it as child abuse. You can
Child
still-
abuse?
Like you can, like you'll be abusing the child.
Oh.
For
Wewe
like beating.
Japo ukasikia child abuse.
No.
Of course. Yeah?
Tevita.
Like you can beat the child for no reason and then that's child abuse.
Yeah, that's child abuse. Sasa hiyo ya sisi tulikuwa tunatoka tunafura mwili na hakuna mahali tulikuwa tunasikia hiyo child abuse.
Because you guys made mistakes.
You guys make mistakes too.
When like you're beating the child for no
But
reason.
not all the time.
Like I mean, like you come and just home and then you start beating the child for no reason.
But your friend was not beaten for no reason. Sasa alitaka for reason. Alikwambia reason.
I was talking about reason.
The thing is, you guys don't talk about the reason. Kuna watu maybe kichwa ngumu. So ni vibaya kuchapa mtoto mpaka afure. Mpaka ashinde kulala.
No, I'm not saying that. That's what the parents do, and it's that's the way.
Yeah. So if it was up to you guys, would you say let us abolish child beating? Abolish is stop. Tuache hadi isiwahi kuwa. It's mkuu mnaweka kwa corner. Children's corner.
No,
You want to be beaten?
I
Want children's corner? And you?
Children's corner.
Children's corner.
Yes.
Oui. Na wewe?
to be beaten.
Why?
Because it's like that's what the Bible says, and being in the corner doesn't make any difference.
So the Bible says, beat children. This is the daughter of the year. Nyinyi mnataka kona. Kwa sababu unachapangwa sana.
Sijachapwa this
Hii
year.
inaungwa.
Sijachapwa this year.
Ebu weka.
Sijachapwa this year.
Hujachapwa this year? Hata shule. Shule umechapwa? 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 Hujachapwa? Unaona? Umechapwa? Umechapwa? Sasa ndio umechapwa? Shule umechapwa?
Nakumbuka nilikuwa nachapwa.
Umechunwa?
Masikio kwanza.
Ulikuwa unafanya nini?
Ukipata mtu akipiga makelele unakuja unapintiwa na kucha.
Ulikuwa unapiga makelele? Hapa juu ni makelele najua. Abu put the chili. So we put the chili, the spices.
Which one is chili? This one.
This is chili cubes.
I put them.
Yes. We put 2 chili cubes, the turmeric, vegeta, and the
put
white.
all of them?
Yes. But be careful with the salt. Don't put the salt. Don't put the salt yet.
Like
Jiko.
Okay, Jiko. Yes.
Mom,
Yeah.
so you back to the question.
Back to the question.
So, you said you are so one of my friends said that.
Weka hiyo. It's okay. Put.
So one of my
Putting the pork now. One of your friends?
One of my friends said that her dad works in America and like security there.
Yeah.
So they were looking for this person of a criminal there.
Yeah.
So he used his account to hack the criminal's account and to get him.
Yeah.
So like that's
Are you
so
sure
cool.
that's a true story?
I'm sure if she lies, she like has a way. We know.
She lies very well.
No.
It's the truth.
Yeah, it's the truth. If she
It's
was,
not a movie
if
she
she
watched.
was lying, we would know there was something she does with her lips.
Yeah. Or you watch body language.
Like she told us, if she's lying, she does that.
Yeah. Oh, so you guys give stories like what? Scary stories, secrets. Mnatoboa kila kitu. So what have you told guys about me?
I don't know.
Told them,
Me, I
Mom.
told you. I told
Mom.
you.
Sasa kulikuwa na mtu mwingine class ananiambianga at least your mom is not akuchapangi sana kama mamangu. Alikuwa na wish mama.
Ulikuwa unawaambia sasa mimi sikuchapani.
Walikuwa ananiambia at least sisi hatutachapangi kama wao.
So alijuaje?
Sasa
Alisense in the spirit ama ni wewe ulimwambia?
mimi
Nilimwambia.
Of course ni wewe ulimwambia sichapangwi. Si ni dada na kuchapanga. So we put some teriyaki sauce. You're doing a good job, Tevita. Keep stirring. We put our eggs, our scrambled eggs. And lastly, let me help you. Let me help you. You got this clear here.
What? Cook.
Clear the table, guys.
Can I help?
Yeah, I want to put the rice. Can I be able?
Yeah, you can.
Alright, so finally I put in the rice. I boiled my rice with some bay leaves.
Slowly, slowly.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Let me help Ranise. Let me help you. You'll add for me the rice.
Okay.
You'll add for me the rice. Yay! Okay. Put in the rice.
Olive it.
Yeah, just pour. And the carrots. The carrots come in last. I like that cow. We like that cow taste. It's called what?
The dot cocoa.
Cow.
That crunch.
Yeah, the crunchy.
Or hard.
The last time we made this, you guys were fighting for it.
Yeah, I remember.
Tevita, you didn't tell us your story.
I don't say.
You
Then
don't
what-
talk.
But just say what you like to talk
In
about.
school, you don't talk.
I do.
Yeah.
The football you guys talk about, what is it about? Like how do you guys, like when you guys are playing football, how do you play it? And then you guys always win.
So you play grade 3s against grade 4.
By the way, what do boys talk about when they're sitting and what do girls talk about when they're seated?
I don't know. As we talk about football last week, then they talk about beauty
But you talk about football?
and then we talk about beauty.
Do?
Beauty and their nails, everything.
You guys talk about nails in school?
No, I don't. No.
Makeup?
No.
Makeup? Your football. She's the queen of football.
In the school.
Yeah, look at how it's coming up. Ndio natoa. Pressure.
Mom, what did you guys used to talk about your parents in school?
What did you guys?
What did you guys used to talk about your parents in school?
Our parents. I forgot everything we used to talk about. You know, I was in school like a long time ago, so you said I'm old.
But still, like you have to have some memories.
I think we used to exaggerate how we were beaten, because we used to be beaten a lot.
Oh, how did you guys exaggerate it?
Someone will lie how they were put in a gunia, akachapwa. Yeah, I mean, niseme venye nilifura, nikatolewa nje, you know, just those sorts of things. But I never used to talk a lot about my parents. But yeah, I thought all parents are old-fashioned when I was in school. Just like you. Okay, you, at least you say we have style. But I thought all parents are old-fashioned. They know nothing. I found out after what? After now having new kids, that my parents are not actually old-fashioned. In fact, they are very bright.
But they have a lot of style.
Who?
Your parents.
My grandparents?
No.
Your grandparents?
Yes, our grandparents.
Yeah, they have style. But then I'm saying, when I was growing up, the way you just might think that I have no living is the same way. So when you grow up, you'll find out, oh my gosh, my parents had it going. They are not very old. In fact, you start liking what we used to like. If we eat githeri, you start eating githeri. If you like ngwashe, you start eating. You follow our ways. You're like, oh, my parents are the coolest.
But mom, you know, all children say things about their parents. So you say you guys were beaten. There has to be something you guys were saying about your parents, like it's the same.
Like what?
Like when you were anakuongeleshanga, like how is
Let's
it?
see what was story. Okay. Sikumbuki.
Namsema
Niseme nini?
najua unanipenda.
Sikumbuki. Mimi nilikuwa shule 1990.
Something.
1980.
Like in the 19th century?
In the 90s, you mean?
Yeah. Mimi nilizaliwa in the 80s.
19.
Like you guys think I'm very old because I was born in the 19s.
Yes.
Says, I just said, what do you say? Wale walizaliwa 19 ni watu wazee. Hivyo ndio nasema.
True, because most old people are born in the 90s.
Or most old people were born in the 19s.
And we are the
So
20s.
like, when you think of 19, it's like we are very ancient. Like it's so ancient. Eh?
Like it's a very...
It's kitambo.
Yeah, it's
you can't
kitambo.
even imagine what happened then.
Yes, but we know that the lighting was like different.
The light.
Yes, from
Yeah.
the way it is right now.
Tulikuwa tunaishi kwa giza.
Like the sun, I guess it was different.
The sun was different. What? So you think it was darker?
Because of the movies I watched like in the 90s.
Yeah.
The
The sun was
lighting-
brighter
No, it was like low.
because of the movies.
The movie, yeah, the
I
movie.
hear you, I get you. Okay. So now our food is ready.
Mom,
Yeah.
one of my friends, rafiki yangu mmoja aliniambia na nikiwa birthday yake sasa akinunuliwa kitu anasemanga nataka hii kile kitu anataka anapewa. Sasa mtu akienda shule anaitishwa.
Anatakanga hiyo ndio apeleke shule. So you udanganyana?
Pana, he likes the person or he or she likes like kujijenga venye amepata vitu.
Okay. I get you.
So he's like anaringa, my parents are way better than you because if I ask for
People
something.
ring about their parents are better.
Yeah.
Have you ever ringed?
No.
No. Good kids. Sawa. Kwa hivyo chakula chetu kimeiva. Kama mnavyoona. This is it.
Can I see chocolate pan?
I'll try. So guys, that's it. Here's our fried pork rice. Look how I garnished it. Looks awesome, doesn't it? What do you guys have to say?
You should like the video.
We will share the video.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
Over there.
Yeah, I would love to hear your comments. If you have any, any suggestions of recipes, please make sure to share with us. Follow us on our social media handles. I will be excited to hear from you guys. Yeah, so that's it. Sisi tunabaki, tunakula, tunaenjoy. Ebu tukule hii chakula yetu. Dig, guys. I love the celery. Do you guys like it?
Yes.
Very much.
Wow. Comment. What do you love in the food?
I love the pork.
You love the pork?
I like the carrots and lamb.
I like the celery.
You're like me. I like celery. Makes a huge difference.